Hi friends, I am Narayana, national athlete. Welcome to Narayana Athletics Academy. So friends, back pain is the most dangerous to us. So I want to show the back pain exercise, few exercise. So now you have to put your legs, this leg you have to put on mat. Both hands keep on your head, back side. So this is the normal position. Take breathe in. Leg should be straight right side. Head should be turned left side. This is the alternate position. When stretchable here, then breathe out. Again breathe in, stretch, breathe out. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out. You have to hold 3 to 5 seconds. We have to hold. Again, breathe in, stretch, breathe out. You can do 10. Next exercise, your right leg should be keep forward. Both hands keep on your knee. Head should be raised little bit. Okay. Then here will be, suppose your pain will be 100% is there. So when we are stretching here, 10% pain will be coming. Then hold, breathe out. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out. So when we are doing slowly this stretching, so there will be 10% pain will be coming. Then your pain will be relaxed. So don't do suddenly speed you have to don't do. Okay. Now you can finish 10 times this exercise. Next exercise. Now your leg should be, you have to put this like. Then this is the normal position. Take deep breath. Hip up. Breathe out. You have to hold 5 to 10 seconds. Then back. Breathe in. Up. Hold 5 seconds. Breathe out. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Back. So you can do 10 times. After next I will show exercise. Next exercise should be here. Your hand should be this position you have to put. This is the normal position. Take breathe in. Upper body up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Upper body up. 3 to 5 seconds you have to hold. Stretch. So when we are stretching, 10% will be pain will be coming. Then breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch. Breathe out. Don't do more stretchable. Okay? You have to do little bit stretchable we need. That's why 10% pain will be coming. Then breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch, breathe out. This exercise is the you can do. Next exercise you have to put first. This is right hand. You have to put left hand before the chin. Few distance, little bit distance. You have to put. This is the normal position. Take breathe in. Upper body up. Elbow should be up. Breathe out. Breathe in, up, hold 3 to 5 seconds you have to hold, breathe out. Breathe in, up, breathe out. So you can do 10 times this exercise. So these these exercises are very important to you to reduce your back pain by this exercise. After this exercise, you can put the ice where the pain is there. There you have to put the ice. Every 2 hours you can do. Then your pain will be relief within 2-3 days. Thank you.